eye too much age. Medi edina na ama owusa na ensema e trende abepie me ewo menu ha sei no eno na me so mede beto wenim se na wo so benya wo chefa ewo emu na efa Philama Coffee ene medical mo warrior last week Saturday no ensem bebre na asori efi aware ni mu efi pranka Philama Coffee e de prank medical by collapsing ene the reason why mo worry ene to say other celebrities o ma be kasa etia wo ma warrior no the see ada no videos about out in ya ene pictures about out efi engagement na so no na Ghana for e ka say na adding na Philama Coffee actress na medical so musician no two ni celebrities no mo where they are saying only 5 celebrities per and spotted around and I say spotted our omaware na say tina kana for bc won bc and sem they said they be piem ni say celebrities ni ebi e de beto just say Philama Coffee won kan okre asem koso krampo a say na asem ni tie won bie su sanche so red crown or blue white cross brown one kind of credit jonty one more thing hint to crash say our we be basono no one say one of the pranks nibi one of agrobi awodi anti na war all kasa and 70 mama for next serious and into no moment me amba engagement na so ebiem so no Ghana for share pictures any videos about out ever Philama Coffee any medical engagement course no almost say Philama Coffee ya nkasa mu no was yellow actress we yellow sa series na ye TV so we most of episodes na woman bi enti e ba ne say na wo bia wonne mo art na series say eno ma bond say mo ntimi ansho just ba kumpo ntimi ansho ni face wo Philama Coffee any medical ni engagement na sem enti enchechemu Ghana for ABC bisa na enchechemu koso no na yellow actress ba kwa ni din ede Christabel Amwabin yellow series ni ye friend Lydia what they beto just say Philama Coffee do omoni ejuma do omoni ni cha series ni da no na so Philama Coffee na nkasa mu no wonye friendly person womoni enka high and wo bia ene ne wo enye say ye show me video mu na ye di agro ye boy ye ho ne ye kasa but say that's the same thing in real life na series ni mu na wo mo te say enafofo but wo mo use series ni wie na wo bia epon adwuma ofa ne bag wo bia fa ne kwan because enafofo bia enyi wo mutem Philama Coffee na kasa no wonti ne nim ma yellow actress for no mo mpo embe no wa yokofa no enu nti pa na wan sa invite wo man kan and wo bia entimi and show ni face wo wonne medical engagement no omo ye no active na Ghana for 18 say na Philama Coffee all over social media the way we act here what me say obi o best rapper or be or cracking jokes or a funny person now obi o to say so no can in real life no say sa not here I mean say a friendly I think can nkofo bre enter no because obi no yesterday obi a person one ben obi a person onya onka obi a person ni nje nti nkofo mo happy people and nkofo ben e the ban say and a girl e Christabel Amwabi e dey to just say Philama Coffee enye friendly and now one kasa mo mo no case because we ja yellow series and I say case na some time ago about out to say one yellow series no manager no enya case and I say producer no enya case no enunti enama yellow artist ne actresses no moment me and Grace in engagement na say na because you can say some previous time ago be PM social media say Philama Coffee edit to just say onsu yellow producer wo yellow no person own soon because of akasakasa bia and I say ntia bia enye djuma ewo muntem enti wan hwa enunti na ama ayonkofa esizi ewo ono any other celebrities and I say other actors and actresses omu yellow no entema wo mentimi engrace ne ne engagement no with medical ebi mo so say Philama Coffee say na other actors ne actresses grandpa oja yellow crump o ma betu just say o chanton wan we class na no didi wo mo wo yellow ni mu because wo sha say wo na fofo kra wo fi yellow mu kra ebenya mo abontin po no wo mo trust wo mo nju anu ndi nsem entuma ebe je ama wo mo no mo isi crump no no tuka no nya friend isa wo sheda no mo nka no o matimi ajiwe di say ampa say wedding bi eba so and say engagement ceremony bi eba so no kwari mo matimi ababi enu ti sa na say Christabel Amabi Adabetu dan na sanete because say or can say on your friendly wo hwe ne nsem wo hwe nyama aba app on social media about on the lifestyle ultimate gidi say maybe sa anything and I say wa ma omo enya nentie efa ni engagement no and invite am omo ntimi am baby nti na ye hu yellow actors and actresses e wo engagement na say we am gonna for bebre na atro madrin afa the absence of yellow actors and actresses from Fela Makafui ni engagement na say ebi video dey about efi Christian or say if what this girl is saying is anything to go by, then it means this Fela Makafui is a double-faced person. She is cool on social media, but something else behind the screens. To also say Christabel as summer worker yellow actress and friend Lydia yellow serious they all kind of say no clear and I say ya summer e betimi agia to and part say Fela Makafui no double faced person just say nipa nim and what to say but who share clear say nipa share and say camera end down so a different life a live enunti and ama ne na fofonia apono we so dia odi abetu just say if Pamela was say if you go beyond the borders of Ghana and take a Nigerian as your bridesmaid, why would even your friends in Ghana here grace your marriage? It is just as it is. She is not a good person. Or say now Fela Makafui ayeke. So what minya akukudro efre will be onye Ghana ni will be oba so na say aye tacha e was a tasha yi Ghana hakrapo ye chede ni international say etie Nigeria ho na konya hype will be Niger winner bi na wo nim numpo utimi fa na yonko ekosi say wo friend say wo mbra emeye wo chief bridesmaid na Ghana ni awo fa no say ya dan fa na so mo around you no say na person mo feeling fa one for respect amom wakofo bi on fi yentem and say onye wadafofo enche on fra wadafofo mu enche abeye wadafo abeye chief bridesmaid na wo ma omo ye onafofo Ghana na wo pache mo say wo mvali o mo say enti eden a wo mo so o mesa ke efi wo mo nche na say wo mo mbe wo biem na be complicate issues ede ama omo we so efi Mariama or say look at all this, let this marriage rest. Let this marriage have peace. After all, they are married. Whether you were invited or not, it couldn't have changed the ceremony. They are still married after all. Please, let us have our peace. It's when so they are walking and say, ye just so Ghana has to ye pekasa do. Ye ma seven ente koda. Ye they are out. So biba yo will be a mo or my way. Ya come up or a so. They see I want to say okunu and no yere. And they say how ben pa anyway that. Ye guys will be a ma and I say anything. Ye nya crampuno. And ye they are woman ya our way. Every mean fa a ye comment a chat so and twas on that ye ever hold them. Where's to the other if Simon or say all this wahala surrounding one marriage. Can it work at all? I don't even know how to predict for the future of this marriage. Only one marriage. Pranking came in. Lies are in. All sorts of nonsense are involved in this marriage. Let's just wait and see if it will even work. Or say, our way back home, if he has just said, go spin to say, yes, silly, our way now say, crampono. The ACC near air to say, I grow be. We can say, na intra be fem, na pranka be fem, na in to say in Diabokra ediatry. In Tamaway, a ye pony. Eti ba ko si ye mponi ye ne Ghana for ye ntrase ne ye hwe ye nhwem ye mbie ni ye mfie ni ye ko hwe se ne e ba ko si se e be ko ni ye se enwie ye Ghana ha ye be kire because ono pa de eye de the comment abeto je no no kire mo se won jindi se na wa wewe asase akoye e betimi akobie ye de Ghana for kanie wo so wo hwe me wo ye Ghana ni ba wo ye bia te wo betimi e de wo comment aba anything for comment to dwa e wo too much your comment section e bia mu so share video we ma wo bibia no so and get informed with the latest trends here in our nation Ghana meeting Edna na ama owuza e ma we fi so be like no subscribe also because e bia e video bia no wo so betimi nya notification e wo phone so e wo bibia wo bia ne wetimi a share the air course e wo ye my Ghana ase makramo